Okay, now that we have the pen so that it's turned and shaped, and the cuts on this really are quite clean, but it does need to have some sanding. To do the sanding, we're going to move the tool rest out of the way, and we'll just go through our sandpaper grits. I'm going to start with 120 grit or 150 grit. Keep the sandpaper moving. Now I'm being careful to not sand down the diameter of the bushing, because we want to keep that diameter so that we can use it for other pens, but that's what tells us where we need to end up at. Soften this corner again. Next we've got 180 grit. We can actually move through these sandpaper grits pretty quickly. You don't have to spend a lot of time on each one.